The Southwest Tech logo appears with "Here Now" below it, featuring a stylized blue and gray square with a white starburst.
It's just a really great experience, and I wouldn't change my education for anything.
Inside a dental clinic, two individuals in blue scrubs and masks work on a dental mannequin. Text, "Dental Assistant," appears. A close-up shows gloved hands using a dental tool on the mannequin's teeth. A young woman in blue scrubs and a mask speaks to the camera. Text identifies her as Kendall/student.
Every portion of dental assisting is all packed into this program, and it just really gives us a lot of hands-on experience.
We are an accredited school.
Two individuals in scrubs and masks work on a dental mannequin in a clinic setting. A woman with short hair and glasses wearing blue scrubs and a mask speaks to the camera. Text identifies her as Carol/program director.
The program is structured in a 3-semester setting, and the first semester the students have introductory courses.
A computer monitor displays a dental chart next to dental equipment. Two individuals in scrubs and masks work on a dental mannequin, one using a tool inside its mouth.
The next 2 semesters they spend in excess of 300 hours besides classroom time with hands-on experience.
Close-up. Gloved hands use a suction tool inside the mannequin's open mouth, then prepare a dental tool by attaching a tip. A person in a mask and safety glasses looks down intently.
Our students are able to, when they come out of graduation, jump right into an office.
A person in a mask and safety glasses looks down, concentrating. Gloved hands use a dental drill and suction tool on the mannequin's teeth, illuminated by a bright light.
The strength of this program is knowing that you'll come out with 2 of the credentials that you need for the Dental Assisting National Board exam, and then once we graduate, we'll be able to take the 3rd part, so we'll be certified right away.
Two individuals in scrubs and masks work together on a dental mannequin. Close-up. Gloved hands use a polishing tool on the mannequin's teeth. A person in a mask and safety glasses looks down, focused on their work.
And I just am really glad that I'm in this program and can't wait to start as a dental assistant.
The Southwest Tech logo appears with "Here Now" below it, featuring the stylized blue and gray square with a white starburst.